Welcome back, guys. Got something a little different today. I found some couple old kitchen knives I had and I modified it into a fillet blade. I textured the handle there, and this is my mini version. I got it pretty sharp. Now I got this other big one, so I'm going to try and make a big fillet knife, modify this one to a big one. And I got a little one too, so I'll have a little cute matching set here. Let's get to work. Here's a couple I got drawn out, ready to cut. I just got to get me a metal blade for my bandsaw. I got some mahogany scales. And I got a brass pin. This is my makeshift screwdriver. I got her roughed out. Now I'm going to put the bevel on her with the knife and tool sharpener, the Ken Onion edition. The only thing wrong is this says China on it. Started to burn it there at the end a little bit. Just a couple little spots. Ooh, soaking up the linseed. Well, I enjoyed making this little video, and I turned a couple of junk old knives into a pretty good fillet knife, I think. Now all I need to do is learn how to make a leather sheath. And I guess all there is left to do is whale on some scales. See you guys on the next one. Broke the handle. Oh. Look at that huge cow. Who is that cow? Who is that huge cow?